In the 1990s, dental education faced a crisis. 7 dental schools had closed, 7 more were at risk of closing, and the applicant to first-year slot ratio for dentistry approached a dismal 1-to-1.
One of the challenges that we were faced with was not being able to get accurate GPAs on applicants, not being able to get accurate letters of recommendation. When we received an application, you never knew whose information you had.
Georgia's comprehensive approach to our application services united dental school leaders in promoting dentistry as an attractive healthcare career. Subsequently, the applicant ratio to first-year slot for dentistry rose to nearly 3-to-1.
The innovation that he created completely changed not only what we do at the school level and what Adia is able to do to get the word out, but in my opinion, it's increased the access to the profession to so many, because it's made it so much easier for them to apply not only to the local school, but to schools across the country that may be a better fit for that student.
What is so exciting and interesting about the application service is that it has helped to streamline the admissions process for both dental schools or health profession schools, as well as applicants.
I'm the founder and CEO of Liaison International. I started the company in 1990 and been running it for almost 34 years. The early phases, we are very proud of developing the first web applications for the health professions for the dental school. It was in the late 90s. The health professions did not have any web applications, centralized web application. We have created that and we're very proud of that.
The admissions software that Liaison has developed is far superior than what you may find on the market that is produced by many other companies today. Liaison has done a remarkable job of working with many different schools and programs.
So it's easier for an applicant to apply, and it's easier for them to apply to multiple programs. And what he's been bringing in lately with his team is the use of analytics and AI to help make our understanding of how we can serve our applicants and really find the best fit for them even stronger than it was before.
However, it's an open, responsible AI. We explain what we have looked at and the elements we have looked at, and we allow also the schools to be able to change these elements in order to align it with their mission and vision of their schools, and they will calculate the scores. So comes very handy to surface the underrepresented applicants that otherwise will be ignored.
Other associations, seeing his success with Adia, engaged Liaison International for their application services. George sponsored annual meetings that brought association representatives together, fostering interprofessional education and collaborative care networks that have helped to transform today's healthcare landscape.
I would describe Mr. Haddad as talented, brilliant, and compassionate. He understands what he's doing. He understands the overlap of how it affects others and what we do, especially in dental education. And he's compassionate and wants to help not only the faculty and the administrators and Adia, but all of the students that we're privileged to serve.
We are very proud, and I always tell my staff, the work that we do at Liaison is worth telling your children as a bedtime story. And you should be proud of that story when you sit down and tell them what you do and the impact that you do, especially on people that they cannot afford going to school, the people that find it difficult to fill an application, for people that they call you and you answer the phone and you advise them what to do and they start screaming out of joy and thank you for doing this. All of these little things that we do make an impact not only on them, but also as they succeed. You are not only making one life better, but also you're making the family's life better and their community in general better.
I first became aware of Mr. Haddad's work and Liaison International as I started doing more research into our common application system that we use through Adia with all of our programs. And in all those conversations, I was so impressed with George's passion and creativity and innovation for understanding where the disciplines are and where we could go in the future to impact our students and our patients.
George is such a warm and caring person. I think the success of his business is his personality. He is able to be responsive to a large group of people while at the same time just being a warm, genuine individual.
I could not think of a more deserving individual that has impacted the entire oral health education landscape, every single one of our students and every single one of our patients and applicants.
Receiving the Gies Award, it is a profound honor that validates the work at Liaison and the Liaison team and their efforts throughout so many years to serve dental education. It is an award that I also like to share it with EDIA, because EDIA has been a crucial partner for us to evolve and to innovate and to prosper, and hopefully sets an example to other health professions organizations as well.
George, congratulations on receiving the Gies Award for Eminence in Innovation this year.
We're very excited and happy for you and very pleased to see that you have gotten this recognition.
You are the most deserving person that I could think of.
For you, I wish only the best. I wish you happiness. I wish you much success.
We're all here to support you.
And as you continue to innovate, as you continue to change the world, I hope for you that at some point you take a short vacation, but come back to us real soon.